Today we're making Gwaramari, a classic Nepali breakfast from Nepal. It's crispy, round, and pairs perfectly with a cup of milk tea. First, add flour, salt, and sugar. Give it all a good mix. Then slowly add water and stir until the dough reaches this smooth and stretchy consistency. Let it rest for an hour. After that, add some baking powder and mix it all together. Next, add some oil in a saucepan to deep fry. I use 2 spoons to scoop the dough and drop it into the hot oil. After some time, you will see the dough rising, which is a sign to flip them over. Make sure to cook everything evenly. Fry until they are golden brown and crispy. Once done, place them on paper towel to collect excess oil. Repeat until all the dough is fried, and just like that, they are ready to eat. Perfect with a cup of milk tea or coffee. Let me know how it turned out for you in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.